Today, I'm going to explain Natural Science Section 1 from week 11. Last week, we started with this topic of natural science, okay, it's topic 7, matter, materials, and mixtures. The other week, you studied or learned the introduction, but today we are going to focus on lesson 1. From last week, there is nothing to correct. So today we are going to start with your book. You have to open your natural science book on page 100 on lesson 1, matter changes, physical changes. So this is your book. Okay, this is the page that you have to open and you can listen to it. Okay, you can listen to the lesson if you want in your online book in your computer or your mobile phone. I'm going to explain the lesson. Matter changes. Do you remember what is matter? Matter can suffer different changes, and today we are going to focus on physical. Physical changes. Matter has different properties, like size, shape, size, and state. Well, you know that we can find different objects, okay? The matter can be found in the form of triangles, circles, or rectangles, or it can be big or small, or it can be hard if it's frozen, okay, or it can be fresh if it's cold. These properties can change. Okay, for example, if we have water and we put it in the fridge, it's going to get frozen like it happens here, but it doesn't disappear. It just changes, okay? Or, for example, these pores that I have here, if I do like this, I'm changing the physical form, but it's the same matter, okay? It's the same when it comes back. These changes are called physical changes. And it says, try the simple experiments below to see how the properties of matter can change. Look, we are going to start with this one, the change of a state. And then the change of shape, okay? Change of a state. We can change the state of water from a liquid to a solid by freezing it and making ice. What happens when we heat it? Does it change a state? Well, you can do at home this experiment, that is to put water, okay, in the fridge. Water when it's liquid. You put it in the fridge to see what happens. Well, you will get ice. But what happens if we put this ice or we put the liquid water in the microwave? What happens is that it's heated and sometimes it disappears, okay, if it evaporates. Does it change a state? You have to tell me when you do it. Then I'm going to explain change of shape. It says that we can bend, we can twist, press, and stretch plasticine. The plasticine stays in the new shape when we stop applying force. What happens to a rubber band when we stretch it? What happens when we let go? Well, it says that we can bend, we can twist and press and stretch plasticine, okay? Do you remember we used to use it in art sometimes? Well, you can do it, okay? You can do a lot of forms, but then you can put it the same than it was before. So this is when we stop applying force, okay? When you stop playing with it, it comes to the same shape. It doesn't change. And then it's saying, what do you think that happens to a rubber? Okay, when we stretch it, and what happens when we let it go? You can try at home. So this is the lesson for today. And in the instructions, it says that we have to continue listening to a song that I have prepared here, okay? Is this song, and is to know different objects, and it is going to explain to you the different materials, okay, and properties. It's very nice, it's 3 minutes and 20 seconds, and it's very nice to review what we are studying, so you are going to understand better. I recommend you to watch it. And then it says that you have to open your activity book on this topic, okay? This is a set of papers that we sent you when we sent the natural science book, and it's this one, this page, okay? You need to find this one because it's the first one, And it has to say 7 matter, materials, and mixtures, okay? Topic 7 of natural science, but you need to find this title. And then find exercise 1, 2, and 3. In exercise 1, you need to complete these 2 sentences with matter or materials, depending on the sentence, because it's not the same, okay? In exercise number 2, you have different materials here and different properties. So here you have to complete with the materials. Metal is already used, so you can crisscross metal. Glass, fabric, and plastic, you have to complete here depending on the photos. And then properties, flexible, rigid, absorbent, and waterproof. You have to use them here, and you can repeat them, okay? In fact, you have to repeat them to complete the exercise. And finally, exercise number 3, you need to match. You need to read about the properties of different materials, and you need to match with the definition, okay, with the right definition. And this is the end for today. See you in the next session. Bye-bye.